Alright, this one is Wildfire. It skews a little more towards like downhill compared to the rest of it. It's not crazy, but it gets steep and rocky. Yeah, I'm gonna take it nice and slow today. There's a bit of something right there. And then this crosses, I think this is concrete block. A little drop here, and you gotta slow down heavily. Because now we get into the chunk. Yeah, this is lower concrete block. And then I like to take it the whole way down, and maybe I'll hit the big side of the rock drop today. That part is so sketchy. Woo! Saved it. Pretty loose. Probably could have taken this on a wetter day for a little more hero dirt and not what it's giving me right here. Woo! Man, that rock drop still gets my heart going crazy. And then this is the bottom of Iron Gate. It drops you out right there.